Hey ladies and gentlemen, my name is KJ. Welcome to the channel. So basically what we got going on over here today is I've recently picked up this Weber 22-inch kettle, and for those of you guys that have bought this recently, you might notice there's some discrepancies in the setup manual, which we're going to kind of talk about today. So basically what I'm going to show you today is what's the best way to set up this grill. We're gonna add a little feature to this grill that will make your life a whole lot easier. Alright guys, so basically a majority of the time when you have a charcoal grill like this, you're gonna be having a two-zone fire where all the coals are on one side and the actual meat you're cooking is on the other side for a majority of the time. Now the issue with the owner's manual and this grill setup currently is whenever you're cooking meat indirectly, you do not want the vent over the coals, otherwise basically all your heat's gonna escape and you're not gonna have as much heat in your grill. Your food's not gonna cook properly. But now the other issue is the owner's manual tells you that you don't want the thermometer directly over the coals either, because at that point the temperature reading you're getting is of the directly over the coals, is not the actual temperature of the cooking surface on your grill. So basically the way we're gonna fix this is we're actually going to add a thermometer we can get off of Amazon for about $14-15, somewhere around this area. That's what I'm going to be showing you guys today. So when that is all said and done, you can have the main thermometer that came with the grill over the coals. We can ignore that one, and we'll have a second thermometer that's going to be directly over our food, so we can know the temperature inside this inside the grill over the cooking surface. Alright guys, so here we are at our workbench. Now this is the thermometer we'll be installing on the grill. This is a Weber thermometer. It's easily available off of Amazon for about $13-14. I'll put a link to that in the description. It's very critical you guys get a high temp thermometer, because there are thermometers that look the same but they only go up to a few hundred degrees and they will melt once the grill's turned on. So for this little modification, you basically need a 3/8 drill bit, some form of drill. Optionally, we can use a 7/32 drill bit for that little anti-rotation tab on the thermometer, but that's not necessary. Ideally, you do want to use a hole punch, because this lid has a enamel coating for rust protection. So we want to make sure we don't let the drill bit slide around too much and remove more of that coating than we need to, just to prevent rust protection for long-term use. So now basically is the time to choose the location for our thermometer. You can go anywhere in this area. I was considering doing it here, but I've decided to just do it to the side. You do want to make sure that you still have full rotation wherever you drill your hole. The thermometer is not going to get hit by this. Once you have decided your location, grab your hole punch, just give it a few punches, and after that you're ready to drill your hole. So try to go slow, so we're not allowing too much spinning of the bit itself. Okay, so once your hole's made, just feed the thermometer through. In this case, I realized I'm not going to be actually able to make the small hole for the anti-rotation, because I would have to make the hole bigger to have the thermometer sit flush. Once you have your thermometer fed through, just put on the lock nut on the bottom. Alright guys, so we're back. I have the grill fired up. I wanted to show you guys the results of the modification. So once the camera focuses, we'll see on the thermometer that's already included on the grill, which is directly over the coals right now. We have close to about 525 degrees. Now on the vent side is the thermometer we added ourselves, and we can see we have about 375. So what I have cooking in here is I have some turkey bacon and sausage. I threw some hickory directly over the coals just to kind of add a little bit of smoke flavor. Now, so a little warning, this thermometer itself, that's not necessarily going to be your great temperature, but by adding this, you at least have a little bit more control and a little bit more visual feedback of adjusting your vents to try to control the temperature.